Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. I apologize I did not get this out to you sooner. However, these are the topics that are on test number 2. So you've completed homework, chapter 3, chapter 6 you see here, and chapter 8. And then there's a little bit from chapter 11. So 11 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'll just give you um a preview of some of these topics. So it's all about graphing. You had homework problems on that one. You can also click the explanation to see what is in section 11.1. There's a guided solution here, so just go through that. That should be something that's really simple. Let's look at 3.1. Like terms, shouldn't have any problem doing that. 6.3. These are solving proportions. So you just have to use the rules. Again, explanation. How do you figure these out? Right, so you would just multiply, you would multiply this fraction on the other side. You're actually doing the opposite because this is division, so you're multiplying, and then you're just going to solve, okay? And then they're just showing you how you plug your answer back in to make sure that it is true. So you see that those two sides are true. Section 10.8. Inequalities. You just need to solve the inequality. And this looks like the type of problem where you have some steps, a guided solution. Already looked at 6.3. Sorry, they're not in order. I did not make this test. And then you have some ratios to write. Okay, the ratio of 8.5 liters to 15.3 liters. And let's look at the explanation. One number over the other, and you just cancel out the liters. And then it looks here like you need to multiply by 100. And then I definitely would use a calculator on this one. I don't know. I don't think that that's a super big time skill to be multiplying a decimal by 100, and you just move the decimal point over and then you simplify. So, but you can also use your scientific calculator. Look at 6.2. You just write net and lowest terms. Simple enough. 10.5. Did I look at that already? No. So you're just gonna calculate the discount. They're taking you step by step, but you can just change this to a decimal. Digital cameras on sale for $420. This price. Oh, so then you need to divide. I'll use the scientific calculator. Okay, so the original price minus the original price times that 0.17, and then it's equal to 420. So you would get 1 minus 0.17, right? So 1 minus 0.17, which is 0.83. So then you would have 420 divided by 0.83, right? Because, yeah, I was doing this without the drawing. So 420 divided by 0.83. So the original price was $506. So let's look at it solved. Let me look at it solved. Oh, it's making me check that part. And then combine like terms, you get 0.83x. Divide by both sides by 0.83. And then, what was it, $506? Hopefully, oops, it was 6. I must need to round. So, no. It says round if necessary. 506. That's what I got. 420 divided by 0.83 is 506. So let's see. They'll give me, I don't know, try one last time. Oh, they wanted the decimal. Okay, so there you go. No biggie. So this 6-1. Let's look at 8-6. Oh, Pythagorean theorem. You should have no problem with that. So then we have, I think I already looked at 8-3, 8-7. Find the area of the shaded region. So you need to find the area of the circle, and then you need to find the area of the rectangle, which is 48, and subtract it 2. That's all you need to do. Explanation. So here's the area of the circle, the area of the rectangle, subtract it 2. Nothing to it. And then I believe I looked at 11, right? 11-1 was up here, so 11-2. You just need to know those facts. 11-3. You need to know those facts about slope. 4. Again, you need to know how to apply, y equals mx plus b and where those numbers go, so that you can find the equation of the line. These are just points you plug in. I think this is a step-by-step. So for this part, you would put -4, -4, and 8. Okay, so you just need to go through that step by step and figure out what B is. That was 11. I think that was 11-4. And then 11-5. Use the point slope formula to write an equation of a line given the following information. Just need to know the point slope form, plug the numbers in where they go, and you end up with a slope intercept form. So just go through the examples, find the topic. 11-5 is a section 5 and exercise 6. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Apologize I got this to you late. I extended your test for 2 more days. So yeah, just let me know if you need anything else. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time.